What is Git? So Git is the most commonly used version control system. Well, you may ask what a version control system is. Let me explain you with this diagram. So, you have a project and you want to start and finish it, right? You have multiple partners with you. You can't do the whole work alone by yourself. So, you develop some features, say 1, 2, 3, and there is your partner who develops some other feature, say 3 and 4, and then we need to merge those features to create a final product, right? That is when Git comes into existence. Git tracks all your records, all the features you have added, all the versions what you and your partner have added. It keeps track of all of them, and then in the end you can merge all those versions to create your final product. If there is a problem in the final product, you can revert back to a previous version where you can start from scratch or where you left off that version from. Git can automatically merge the changes of two or more people which have worked on different features to combine them into a single feature without losing each other's work. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose Facebook want to create a social media application. So in their first version, they decide to go with text-based version. So they start working on it and then end up with their first completed version. Now they save this version into Git. After this, they decide to go with the second version and to add some new features such as images, videos and voice. So after developing this, again they save their second completed version into the Git. Now they decide to enhance their UI so that it is friendlier for the customer to interact with each other. Hence they create their final version. After the final version is created, they again merge it into Git. But then they face some problem. They see that their video features or some feature is not working. So they need to go back into the version where they started making the video. So they go back to the second version and then start working on the second version to build and develop the video section or the section which was flawed. So this is how Git comes into action and will help you develop your software applications.